Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. So today we're going to be learning about margins in CSS. So let's get started. So basically margin is very important in CSS most of the times because if you it works on basically like the alignment and stuff. So like there is something like this. You can align like text align to the right or left or the middle. But let's say you want it to be like 75% like towards the right. And that's impossible without this thing like text alignment. So you can use margins, which is a better way to do it. And yeah, so let's see an example. So basically I have my link rel style sheet and index.css, everything done right here. So I have my body tag too. So now what I want to do is I want to basically have an h2 tag and just say this is some text. So basically I have some text in this, and now what I can do is I can go ahead and do h2. So first of all, to get the margin you got to do something like this, margin, and these are the specific things you can do with the margin. So these are the some things that starts with more a margin till here, till margin trim. So you can do the specific properties like margin top, margin bottom and stuff. So we're gonna do the specific ones first. So this is very hard to do because you gotta correctly align, but if you have a lot of time you can like align this at the specific place. So let's say this should be like 100 pixels. And let me go ahead and open this with live server. I don't think I have this on. So let me go ahead and remove all those. So let's go ahead and see. So this text normally should be right here, but it's right here. So let me go ahead and unzoom this. So this is how it's gonna look at 100%. But let me just go ahead and zoom this to 200. So normally this text should be over here, but it's for some reason it's right here. So the reason it's because we have margin top right here. So it's gonna move the opposite way. It's 100 pixels, 100 pixels. So if I set it to 500 pixels, and yeah, we got a scroll bar. So yeah, so from right here to all the way right here, so we got a scroll bar too. So let me go ahead and set it to 250 pixels. Yeah, now that's a lot better. So it went from here to here, and after that right here. So that's 250 pixels. And you can also do margin right. So I'm gonna copy that, paste it right there, and I can remove the top and put margin right. And as you guys saw right here, see margin bottom and margin left, you can do those too, but I'm just gonna do margin right to 250 pixels. And let me go ahead and do, actually wait, margin right is gonna put this size. So what we want to do is we want to change this to margin left. And yeah, now we can see the output. Margin left is 250 pixels to there we go. This is some text, and it's correctly not in the middle, so you can adjust the positions too. So this kind of looks lame, so let me just go 150 pixels. Yeah, now that's a lot better. So it's not exactly in the middle, I'll say. It's a bit towards the left, depending on the pixels, how many pixels you put. For me it's 250, so that's how that thing works. So now we don't need that now, so let's go ahead and remove that. And now what we need is a margin shorthand. So this is basically a shorthand form of margin. So this is gonna have top, right, left, everything inside this. So first of all, let's go ahead and specify to see the difference. I'm gonna put 100 pixels. And to separate this, you're gonna just need a space and another 100 pixels. I'm just gonna set them to 0. And there we go. So it does the same thing, but since it's 100 pixels that doesn't work, so we can remove that and put it anywhere you want. I guess that's left, I guess. Oh yeah, there we go. So that's how this thing works. 100 pixels from the top, and that's towards the right, I guess, or maybe left, I don't know exactly, but yeah. So that's how these margins you can do. You can just make them to go in a specific spot, and most of the time web pages actually use this, so you can do that too. So feel free to customize that. So that's pretty much about margins. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.